Alright, so as you can see here, I was editing one of my software I was developing, which was for a website, right? So as you see here, I will currently finishing. I put in the index controller. Well, I still have this do future updates about that, but right now I kind of built a minimum viable product in a sense, which can still be very acceptable. And yeah, so for all those features to be updated incrementally as process corresponds. So yeah, so I had the title as Hebrew Electrical Services. Well, what I mainly did, I changed this site that was, I had ID and I changed it to class, but for some reason I left some for ID, right? But I left those for ID that didn't really have to be dealt with in CSS, really. Well, probably to just keep it a mix between class and ID, because class will be for classifiers that you put in anything, and ID is an identification. So I end up putting identification for more pictures type category for images. Yeah. Well, I probably didn't put all images in ID, but I mean we have some here that is not in ID, but anyway. So put class here, and that's in some that I left comment line to abbreviate, right? Alright, oh, I have to update this, and this is showing it now. Why of all time this antivirus have to come up with now? Oh, alright, that antivirus is an issue. I'm thinking I'm going to get a new antivirus soon, because I just spoiled it for this video. Anyway, in that sense, well, I'm trying to make some money here so I could be able to pay my antivirus. So who not cares about what money is, because we all keep track of it. And anyway, about that, so as you see my CSS here, I have it put in the footer hole. But what I'm currently observing that Flexbox's WebKits are only mainly being a thing of the past now. So the new something that's I've been found out about is currently known as where is it? Where did I have it? Position, body, div. Oh yeah, this section here, the new was corresponding. You see display flex. Yeah, flex, and in that category, grid. Yeah, to line it up, display grid, justify context. I had vertical. Hopefully it worked, and it did. So I have my margins and my body there. Okay, let me see. Margins, padding, and that's mainly because of that. So yeah, so as you can see, if anybody was to hack my computer, they wouldn't find nothing because it just ain't got no thing for it. But anyway, it's all good or not. Well, let me show the web page. The web page, alright. So as you can see here is right, Hebrew Home Electrical Services, Hebrew Electrical Services. So yeah, okay. I think I didn't have no corner or something. Alright, so I've developed the minimum viable product. I'm just gonna I'm just showing you content of how the page could look. And yeah. Why is this blocking here? Alright. Anyway, as you can see what I do over here, right here. This was one here I was designed for. As you can see, welcome to home. So you just end up on this page. I slide on, and what I might do, I might just bring over some chairs on the right or some on the left. Put a space between it with some words, documents in between, and some images. There's different ways, but it's just a minimum viable product to launch your website faster. I end up putting this here on the right so it could stand out a little bit, but you know, keeping it simple in a minimum viable product. This is a straight way of keeping it simple. What I might do, I might expand this one, the size of this image here, to reach same as this one. And yeah, keep it a simple way to attract in. So that's just that one. And here I have this part of it inside of here. Then I have about, oh crap, yeah, I gotta fix that. Yeah. As you can see, and contacts form, blah blah blah. So here is not this. So this is just some numbers I end up dialing for to end up reaching the preaching that. So yeah, see that what I've dialed up here, dialed up there. Yes, That's all for now, and I'm gonna talk to you later.